Bologna. Medieval towers, the world's oldest university, and Italy's richest food scene. And you're stuck squinting at a laminated map half a step behind a group. A guide rushing you through the Porticoes in 5 minutes, past the Fountain of Neptune, with no time to actually take it in. Uvamai's Bologna self-guided audio tour puts the whole city in your hands. Your access link lands straight in your inbox with professional narration and an interactive map, ready whenever you are. No group, no fixed schedule, just Bologna, at your pace for up to 6 days. Climb into the story of the Leaning Two Towers and stand in Piazza Maggiore before the Basilica di San Petronio. Step inside the Archiginnasio, home to the world's oldest anatomical theater, and wander the 7 interlinked churches of Santo Stefano. Then lose yourself in the Mercato di Mezzo, where Bologna's food legend truly comes alive. 12 stops. Your Bologna. Your story. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Bologna, not just photograph it. Real stories. Real freedom. Real discovery. $6. 12 Bologna landmarks. Italy's most delicious secret, told the way it deserves. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.